Sections of Portland resembled a disaster zone Sunday following heavy rainfall. As you hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, at least one home has had to be abandoned due to conditions related to the heavy rains, while the owner of another house has been left with a repair bill.
Mangled zinc, broken boards, and a hole in the roof. Signs of a disaster in Fellowship, Portland. A tree collapsed on this house sometime after 11 Saturday night, triggered by heavy rains which have been lashing the parish since Friday. Marlene Kisu is one of the affected residents.
I feel like an earthquake. From that I don't drop off asleep. And I did here until 3 o'clock this morning. I hear something drop on the house and I ball out. And the son come around and said what happened. Then him realize now say, I said to him, is the tree coming down from the house now? And from there up, I try to call whom I can call.
She was warned to stay away from the house due to fear the structure could collapse entirely under the weight of the tree. The resident explained she also suffered water damage to her household appliances and furniture. Men using machetes and a power saw worked from the roof of the house to remove the fallen tree. And not far away in West Retreat, disaster waiting to happen. At least 2 homes are on the edge, literally. The soil beneath the structures has been eroded, and the occupants are terrified about what could happen next as the rains continue.
The pit collapsed and there are landslide right around the house, going down to the hill where I live, also across to where my son lives. So it doesn't look like it is livable anymore. Other people came and told me not to go back in there to stay because the constant rain might make it come down more. And I was also told that maybe it might eventually come down on other houses that are below. So I removed the things from the house.
In West Baptist Port Antonio, sections of the community were left without electricity after power lines were damaged by fallen trees. While in the area, crews were seen carrying out repair work and eventually restored power. And over in the Riversview area in the Rio Grande Valley, motorists had to proceed with caution along a section of the road after it was reduced to single-lane traffic due to debris. Although there's more rain in the forecast, residents are still hopeful the worst of this experience has passed. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.